Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single...
Perfect. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Next week pa na, ma'am.
Binigyan nila ako ng cake. Congrats daw for med school. Love you! Love you all!
Kainin natin. Gusto ko ng cake. Go on! Come on, leave me breathless.
Sing and dance! Ang layo kasi ng mic eh. Sagat na yan, tas nandun yung TV.
Here I go again, my mind.
Lalaki pa siya eh. Pero ito muna. Kaya magkano distance?
Yung mga dream dog.
Dream dog ko yan eh. Opo.
Pati yung ano, ano pa yun? Yung sa GMA.
Buddy! My baby!
May med school na pasunod yan pa si Brody.
Dito tayo sa vet.
Masahin. Hindi ka.
Brody!
Video mo. Up.
Up! Uy!
Sorry. Okay.
I wonder what you are doing in a city park riding, or better yet, You know I bet you're at home cooking. I wonder what you are
Taste test.
If it comes out, if you need anything else, so don't hesitate to let us know. Please enjoy.
Totoo na to. Kakain na ako. Kakain na ako, guys. Dito muna kayo.
Ba't ako, babe?
Bakit? Di ka pa nakikita eh. Tinry ko tong cafe. Kitsune? Kitsune.
Parang tapa naman ang pila. Babe, oh.
Ang mga mayor. Grabe ang tarik. Dito na yung wedding, dito na rin reception. Dito yung reception, pero yung...
Boto mo doon. Wala na.
On her cheeks. So, wait up, wait up, Ernest. Wait up. Okay, the first kiss coming from Ernest Dumaan. Here we go. Let's get them around. To show us your third kiss. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. Saan kaya? Oh! Sa kilikili ni Alder! Now, Mahan, kaya ba? Do you like that? Nakapag-diyo naman yata si Sir. Wala namang amoy, di ba? Yun tayo eh! Swerte mo kay Sir Ernest dyan. With that, you may kiss your partner. There you go! Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to give the couple their prize. Wow! Cash prize! Congratulations! Please join out here and dance for a photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause!
Alright.
Yan, kompleto na.
Plata na po. Enjoy po. Picture.
Sige pa, picture.
Hindi nawawala yun dapat.
Siyempre.
Pwede nga.
Mga itsura. Pwede na. Last na.
Sige lang.
Sige lang. Galit na. Parang na yan eh. Sige lang, pero...